hope we can get in.
I don't know.
That's what I'm saying. Like,
they've been here before.
I would think that they would keep this kind of shut. Yeah, I'm sure there's a way in somewhere. You gotta look for it.
There's nice work on here though.
Oh yeah, some dope shit, right?
Yeah.
I mean, it feels pretty. It's not bad. It's not good, but
That's
it's not terrible.
you know, video money. When motherfuckers make music videos.
Oh yeah, motion
yeah.
picture purposes.
That's what it says?
Yeah.
Okay. Motherfuckers
See,
dying.
I just saw it. I just saw it laying there. I was like, oh shit, a hunt.
Nah, keep that shit.
Huh?
Yeah. Hell yeah, I'll keep that.
Oh yeah, I guess it's not bad. It does look good.
So what? We can't only get into one piece. Check that door.
Hold up. Here, put this there.
Yo.
Yep.
So when you get hit, I have to run over to him. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Get up and then go. And then if both of us get killed, you gotta go back to your start.
And this is start?
You feel me? There's only 2 of us.
Alright.
There's only 2 of us.
Yeah, but we should have separate starts.
Yeah, someone's gonna start here.
Someone's gonna start on the other side.
On up top.
Far side up top.
Yeah. You know what I'm saying? That way it gives us a little bit of room to move.
Yeah. Hold on, I'm trying to connect.
All right, well, while you're doing that, come on.
Hit. Hit.
Ooh, I can't even see because the lights over here.
Well, yeah, flashlight.
I thought I saw Scotty move that way, so I went in here and I was like, oh damn, there's no room there. Fuck.
Yeah.
Yo.
Yeah, so, you want to do you need something like a goal, like
Because I feel like, alright, so, like, I feel like we could either trap like, one way or the other, we could just trap each other pretty quickly, unless we have something like, where we could just chase each other around. Because, like, I feel like if we have something we both kind of have to go towards, it would, like, help, I don't know. I'm not sure. Maybe this was just a weird spot we just got caught in.
I don't know, this is alright.
Good? Alright, yeah, we're good, man.
I mean, I don't see nothing bad with it. Like,
wow, it was just like, I mean, yeah, we could do objective.
nah, if this door was open, that'd be better, but it's still fucking like.
I really thought I thought the stairs were on the other side. I swear I was looking at like a mirror or something back to this side. Like
I saw you run. I saw you run through there, and I was like, all right, cool.
Yeah.
So I went through, and I was getting ready to turn around, and I'm looking for him, and then this dude shot me. So this is all right. It ain't that bad.
All right, cool.
He's fogging up like a motherfucker.
Yeah, I don't know why.
All right.
When you can't see, you.
Nah, I got him already.
I'm dead, bro.
Behind the door, behind the door. Behind the door. Back up, back up, back up. Back up. Right there, right there. All right, back up. Come back. You hit?
No.
Huh?
No.
All right. Watch it. Watch it. We got him cornered. On the count of 4, we're gonna charge him, all right? 1, 2, 3, 4. I was trying to make him think that we was gonna charge him so he can come out. If you put your hands up, we won't hit you. You want to get killed first?
Huh?
You want to get killed first? And then I'll shoot him?
Okay.
Somebody gotta die. We can't go around. Got him. I got you, right?
Yeah.
Shit.
Oh, you can't see through there.
Through where?
Through the
Nah,
door.
I can't see you.
Oh, all right. I pushed all the way up.
I was trying to divert something. Like, all right, on the count of 3, we're gonna charge. Cause I thought you was gonna come out because I was about to light your ass up. Huh?
Like, I don't feel like we really covered that, so I didn't want to like do it like a cheap way or something.
I caught Scotty right there.
Yeah.
I said, beam me up, Scotty.
We gotta figure out like a spawn though, like a respawn without you healing it kind of thing.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Well,
So,
I
like,
would just. You good? What the fuck was that?
fucking beast, man. You alright? You good though?
Yeah. Go check Scotty. Some deep shit. I shot him in the face.
I shot you in the face?
Scotty, go check on him.
I didn't shoot him in the face, did I?
That's what he said.
No, I shot him in the chest. Oh shit. Scotty, I shot you in the face, bro?
Nah, you're good, man.
You sure? I thought I shot you in the chest.
You're good. You're good.
I shot you in the face, though?
Nah, you like glanced. You're good. It's fine.
Cause I thought I shot you here and it broke apart.
Nah, I came in down, so like really, you were shooting at my chest, but like I just had one.
I'm sorry, I
No,
apologize.
you're good, bro. You're good. All good.
I thought I shot you in the chest.
Nah, you're good, man.
And then the shit exploded because I know I hit something here and the
Yeah,
beat
you hit me
exploded.
twice. I don't know where the other one. You probably hit me in the chest on that second one. I just felt it hit the fucking. You're good, man.
Yo, what's up? Why you don't play fucking?
Well, you got I had these on there actually.
He is. We were coming though, boy. We was coming.
You was coming for who? For who? For who? Me and Agents is nasty. Y'all got all the experience. It's alright though. It's cool though.
Yeah.
You know, I took revenge from him.
He
You
was
came
looking
through.
like this. He came out, had his whole body out like this.
I know, bro. Like,
Bang, bang.
I'm like, he don't know how to duck for shit. He just be like, okay, hey, let me go.
All right, one more game.
All right, we chasing you. You chasing us?
One more.
We chasing y'all or y'all
Yeah,
chasing
you
us?
chase us.